Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you guys how to share your location on Google Maps, and this is actually very simple. What you need to do at first is head over to Google Maps directly, and from there you want to click on your profile icon at the top right, and then what you want to do is you see this option called location sharing. Tap on this one and then click on share location. Now as you can see, these are the people. Let's say you want to just copy the link or directly just send it to someone. You can do that from here. Copy to clipboard. You can just copy the link and send it to someone. Also, another thing that you need to do if you want to check, that is, you need to can see your location. Do you want that person to see your location for only a limited time? Let's say for only 1 hour they can see your location, or 2 hours. As you can see, the time is showing. Or you could click on stop sharing, which means that anytime your location will be on, it will be automatically shared with that person. So these are the two options, but yeah, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.